Class 12 General Differentiation. Some basic rules are as follows. D sin x by dx is equal to cos x, d cos x by dx is equal to minus sin x, d tan x by dx is equal to sec square x, d cot x by dx is equal to minus cosec square x, d sec x by dx is equal to sec x into tan x, and d cosec x by dx is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Second, d e to the power ex by dx is equal to ex, d a to the power x by dx is equal to a to the power x log a, d x to the power n by dx is equal to n x to the power n minus 1, d log x by dx is equal to 1 by x, d differentiation of any constant with respect to x is equal to 0. Other basic rule, d by dx u plus or minus v is equal to du by dx plus और माइनस dv by dx. मतलब प्लस रहेगा तो यहाँ प्लस होगा, यहाँ माइनस रहेगा तो यहाँ माइनस होगा. प्रोडक्ट रूल, d by dx u into v, the differentiation of u by dx, v remaining as, and u plus u or dv by dx. d by dx u by v is equal to v square into v du by dx minus u dv by dx. Inverse in differentiation, d sin inverse x by dx by equal to 1 by root under 1 minus x square, d tan inverse x by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, d sec inverse x by dx is equal to 1 by x root under x square minus 1. Y equal to 10. Some important question on basic differentiation. Y equal to 10 2x plus 3. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, d 10 2x plus 3 by d 2x plus 3 into d 2x plus 3 by dx. 10x, differentiation of 10 x sec square x into 2 dx by dx plus 0. So is 2 sec square 2x plus 3. Question number 2. Y equal to sec 10 root x dy by dx, d sec 10 root x by d 10 root x into d 10 root x by d root x into d root x by d root x by dx. sec x का होता है 10x इंटू sec x इंटू 10x, तो sec x इंटू 10x और 10 रूट x का, तो 10x का होता है sec स्क्वायर x और d रूट x by dx 1 by 2 रूट x. Question number 3. Y is equal to log cos e to the power x. Differentiation with respect to x. dy by dx. d log cos e to the power x by d cos e to the power x into d cos e to the power x by d e to the power x into d e to the power x by dx. log x का 1 by x, so 1 by cos e to the power x, cos x का minus sin x और e to the power x to e to the power minus e to the power x sin by cos 10 e to the power x. Next question, y is equal to cos x cube into sin square x5. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, d cos x cube by dx into dx cube by dx और sin square x to the power 5 ऐसे ही उतार दिया, प्लस cos x cube of sin square x to the power 5 by d sin x5 into d sin x5 by dx5 into dx5 by dx. dx5 by dx. तो माइनस cos x क्यूब का माइनस sin x क्यूब, x क्यूब का 3x स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर x5 प्लस cos x क्यूब 2 sin x5 cos x5 into 5x4. तो 5 2 10 x4 cos x cube sin x5 cos x5 minus 3x minus 3x squared sin x cube sin square x5. Answer. Last question. Y equal to e to the power x by sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx sin square x sin x, the differentiation of numerator, minus numerator or differentiation of denominator. We get e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x by sin square x. That is the end. Next chapter is implicit function for next class. Thank you.